Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make cream sauce for pasta with milk. This easy method uses common kitchen staples to create a delicious, velvety sauce in just minutes. First, ensure you have all your ingredients measured and ready to go. You will need 2 tablespoons of butter, 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, and 2 cups of milk. Having everything prepared makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable. The foundation of our creamy sauce is a simple roux. Begin by melting 2 tablespoons of butter in a medium saucepan over medium heat. Once the butter is fully melted, whisk in 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Continue whisking constantly for about 1 to 2 minutes. This cooks out the raw flour taste and creates a lightly golden, fragrant paste, which is essential for a smooth sauce. Now let's transform our roux into a luscious sauce. Slowly pour in 2 cups of milk, a little at a time, while continuously whisking to prevent any lumps from forming. Keep whisking as the sauce gently simmers over medium heat. It will gradually thicken. Continue cooking for about 5 to 7 minutes, or until the sauce is thick enough to coat the back of a spoon beautifully. With your sauce thickened, it is time to add the finishing touches. Season it with about 1/2 teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. For an extra layer of warmth and subtle complexity, add a small pinch of nutmeg. Stir everything together well. Your rich, creamy pasta sauce is now ready. Serve it immediately over your favorite cooked pasta for a delightful meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.